was a great and powerful leader of India. Gandhiji is also known as Bapu and father of the nation. Happy Gandhi Jayanti to all. വട്ടക്കണ്ണട വച്ചിട്ട് വടിയും കുത്തി നടന്നിട്ട് നമുക്ക് നാടിത് നേടിത്തന്നു നമ്മുടെ ഗാന്ധിയപ്പൂപ്പൻ. ഗാന്ധിയപ്പൂപ്പൻ ഗാന്ധിയപ്പൂപ്പൻ നല്ലത് മാത്രം ചെയ്യാനും നല്ലവരായി നടക്കാനും നമ്മോടോതുകയാണ് അപ്പൂപ്പൻ. നമ്മുടെ ഗാന്ധിയപ്പൂപ്പൻ 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 തൊഴുകയോടെ നമിക്കാനും തോക്കില്ലാതെ ജയിക്കാനും നമ്മെ പണ്ട് പഠിപ്പിച്ചല്ലോ നമ്മുടെ ഗാന്ധിയപ്പൂപ്പൻ. ഗാന്ധിയപ്പൂപ്പൻ ഗാന്ധിയപ്പൂപ്പൻ വട്ടക്കണ്ണട വച്ചിട്ട് വടിയും കുത്തി നടന്നിട്ട് നമുക്ക് നാടിത് നേടിത്തന്നു നമ്മുടെ ഗാന്ധിയപ്പൂപ്പൻ. ഗാന്ധിയപ്പൂപ്പൻ ഗാന്ധിയപ്പൂപ്പൻ.
Good morning everyone. Today is 2nd October. Gandhi Jayanti. Jai Hind.
Good morning to the respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. Today I will speak on Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Bombay, Gujarat. He is also called Father of the Nation. Under his able guidance, India became free on 15th August 1947. Thank you.
ഇന്ന് ഒക്ടോബർ 2 ഗാന്ധി ജയന്തി. ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ പാടാൻ പോകുന്നത് ഗാന്ധി ജയന്തിയുടെ പാട്ടാണ്. നന്മ നിറഞ്ഞൊരു മുത്തശ്ശൻ, നമുക്ക് വേണ്ടി നാടിനു വേണ്ടി നേടിത്തന്നു സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യം. അടിയും പിടിയും കൂടാതെ അറിവും അറിവും ആയുധമായി അടിമച്ചങ്ങല പൊട്ടിച്ച് പല്ലില്ലാത്തൊരു മുത്തശ്ശൻ. നല്ലത് മാത്രം കാണാനും നമ്മെ നയിച്ചൊരു മുത്തച്ഛൻ, ബാപ്പുജി എന്നൊരു മുത്തച്ഛൻ.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends. Today is 2nd October. We are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was a great and powerful leader of India. Gandhiji is also known as Babu and father of the nation. Gandhi Jayanti is the no violence day in India. This day is observed as a natural holiday. He helped India to get independence from British rule. People from all lineages loved and respected him. Happy Gandhi Jayanti to all. Thank you.
Good morning all. Today is 2nd October, the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. We celebrated it as Gandhi Jayanti. He is the father of our nation. We call him Bapuji. His life is an inspiration for all. Proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind.
Good morning to all, respected principal, teachers, parents and my dear friends. Wish you all a very happy Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October every year. This is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar. Mahatma Gandhi was a great and powerful leader of India. Gandhi spent a major part of his life to get freedom for our country. He is also known as Babu and father of the nation. Gandhi believed in simple living and high thinking. Gandhi Jayanti is also known as International Day of Non-Violence. On this day, many schools, colleges conduct speech, essay, drama, and other competition for students. Gandhi's life is an inspiration for all of us. On this day, everyone should pledge that we will always follow Gandhi's path of truth and non-violence. Thank you. Have a nice day.
देवात्मनो हिमवद खलु सन्निधानात् सर्वोन्नतेदि जगति प्रदिदाधरित्री लोकोत्तरस्य पुरुषस्य हि गान्धिनाम्नो जन्मग्रह जगदितुं कदरा बभूव तेन पुङ्गमिति तत्त्वमुदीरयन्द उच्चैर्वदन्त्युपनिषद् वचनानि यत्र तस्यारते भवति कुत्र महात्मनोऽस्य त्यागोज्ज्वलस्य महस प्रकटप्रभाव सम्मोहनं मोहनदासवृत्तम् यो बाहरत् मानुषमानसानि त्यागेन हासेन च सेवनेन चरित्रशुद्ध्या तपसा च भक्त्या दरिद्रनारायणसेवयैव देवार्चना सैत्यमधार्य सम्यक् दीनादरिद्रान् व्यधिधाननादान् उद्धर्तुमेष्यन् निजसेवयाय हे भारते येति पुरातनकालतोऽपि सम्पीडिता ह्यदितरा व्यतिता वात्सु अस्पृश्य शासनजने विनिपादिताश्च तेषां तु सेवनमभूत् खलु गान्धिमार्ग तेषां तु सेवनमभूत् खलु गान्धिमार्ग धन्यवादः
If for our freedom, he was a great leader. If for our freedom, he was a great leader. He is a wonderful teacher. He is a role model. He was a wonderful teacher. He was a role model. Gandhi Ji, Mahatma Gandhi, Bapu Ji, father of nation. Gandhi Ji, Mahatma Gandhi, Bapu Ji, I love you, Bapu. Gandhi Jayanti is for everyone.
Greetings to everyone gathered here on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti. I, Sandra Salim, heartily welcome you to celebrate this momentous day along with us. On 2nd October, every year, India celebrates a national holiday in remembrance and honor of the birth of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi as Gandhi Jayanti. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, who is also referred to as Mahatma Gandhi, was given the title of Father of the Nation by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose for his relentless struggle for our independence. This national holiday is to celebrate independence and honor the principles through which our freedom fighters led us to this day. The most notable contribution was of the father of our nation, who is also called Bapu, especially by children. He fought for our independence by following the principle of peace and non-violence. He led many successful campaigns like removing the tax imposed on salt, also calling the British to quit India. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated by each and everyone regardless of their religion or caste. He was the cheerleader for reforming rights and questioning norms, especially for the underprivileged and for that section of society that was paid the least attention to. Today, on his 152nd birth anniversary, let's remember and honor his philosophy by treating people with respect and equality without any prejudice and not conform to violence even at our worst. On this day, let's pledge ourselves to follow the path of legacy he left behind and lead our lives in peace and harmony.
A journey through the life of Gandhiji. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, the father of our nation and an epitome of non-violence and patriotism, led the nation and secured independence for India. He was born to Karamchand Gandhi and Putlibai Gandhi on 2nd October 1869. Later, at the age of 13, he married Kasturba Gandhi. After his schooling, he went to England to study law at the age of 18. Before he left for England, he promised his mother 3 things. He would not touch non-vegetarian food, he would not look at any woman with lust, and he would not touch alcohol. In 1893, he left for South Africa to argue a case. On the way in the train, he was thrown out and insulted for daring to be the co-passenger of a white man. This is considered as one of the incidents which changed Gandhiji's life, as that was when he decided to protest against the oppression and the unjust laws.
When he was in South Africa, he fought against injustice and class divisions.
Gandhiji organized a satyagraha to oppose the unjust law by burning the certificate, which was mandatory for the so-called smuts to carry it everywhere they go. After his return to India in 1915, he studied the Indian environment for a year and decided to jump into the freedom struggle. Champaran movement in Bihar was the first satyagraha led by Gandhiji. The government was compelled to look into the matter of injustice meted out by the poor indigo planters. The passing of Rowlatt Act in 1919 was for the arbitrary arrest and imprisonment of the nationalists. Gandhiji launched an anti-Rowlatt satyagraha on a mass scale. On 13 April 1919, a large crowd gathered in the enclosed ground of Jallianwala Bagh. General Dyer blocked the escape route and ordered indiscriminate shooting. Hundreds of people were trapped and killed.
As a protest against the Rowlatt Act, Gandhiji started non-cooperation movement by boycotting British goods and encouraging the use of homespun clothes. When violence broke out in Chaudi Chowda, Gandhiji suspended the NCM and he was arrested. Later, Gandhiji started civil disobedience movement which was followed by Dandi March. This was to break the unjust law that refrained the people from making salt. By the Salt March, Gandhiji wanted people to know that there were many poor people who would not afford to buy even a single pinch of salt. Because of this movement, Gandhiji was again arrested by British. During his imprisonment, Sarojini Naidu and Abbas Kyabji led the Satyagraha. To make the matters worse, the British brought the communal award whereby the untouchables would be given separate treatment from the higher caste Hindus. Dr. Ambedkar though initially believed that politically concessions would yield better results for the untouchables, later came around to accept Gandhiji's view. Gandhiji went on a fast until death against the communal award. Ultimately, Gandhiji's fast led to the provisions of a joint electorate of seats for depressed classes. Gandhiji named the untouchables as Harijans, the people of God.
In 1942, when Japan threatened to attack India, Gandhiji called for a nationwide satyagraha. He asked the British to quit India and called out the people to do or die. This united the Indians. India became independent on 15th August 1947. While the entire nation was enjoying its newfound freedom, on 30th January 1948, Gandhiji was shot dead while he was on his way for evening prayers in Delhi. Gandhiji lived and died for the country. Dislike his words, my life is my message. Let us all learn from his life to be a better human being. Truth is never illustrated through the use of violence. This is one of the guiding principles that sits at the core of the illuminated thinking by the great soul, the Mahatma.